to look at the camera.
So you're making ramen, right? Okay, so you put the noodles, you went ahead and put the noodles in and put the water in, and you're gonna bring it to a boil and cook the noodles, and then are you gonna put the like flavor pack in there?
After I finish cooking it.
All right, go ahead and put it on there. We'll see. You might need to get a hot pot holder.
Yeah.
Because you're not gonna be able to move it after.
Can you go ahead and grab everyone one, please?
Let's take a look. I wonder how long it's gonna take to start boiling.
Probably a long time. This is not the best fire.
You're right, it's not. I wasn't quite ready for the grate to go on, but it was already put on, so.
I'm going to put my ham into my canteen cup, because that has to cook first. Oh my gosh, ashes are blowing everywhere. And I'm just going to kind of set that there. Hope it gets hot. I'm going to spread those out a little bit.
So what are you making again, Taylor?
A scramble.
Oh yeah.
Like an omelet, but without the solidity. Is that a word?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
So you've got ham in there, and then what are you planning on putting in next?
After that, I'm going to put in some basil and bell peppers.
Cool.
And then I'm going to put in my eggs. And then I'll do salt and pepper, scramble all that, and then I'll sprinkle cheese on the top.
Cool.
Masterpiece.
Hey Mavi,
Yeah?
do you want to do a canteen cup
Okay.
meal? What do you want to do on your meal?
Ramen.
Ramen like Anderson?
Sure.
Awesome.
Hey, Matthew.
If you want to go get the other cup and get some water and stuff, Anderson, you want to help him?
So, you take out the packet. So you don't cook the packet. Then, you take this out, and why don't you break this in half, carefully. Okay. Don't drop it.
Stop it. Real hard.
It's okay if you lose some
Good job.
pieces.
Now put them both in there. Not exactly in half, though.
That's okay.
Oh, about. Careful. Now it's into thirds. Kind of. It'll work. Then,
You can pour the water in. Fill it to about...
fill it until it covers this.
No, that's the top.
That's fine.
Okay.
Taylor Anderson's the one that's telling him what to do, so leave him alone.
That's good enough. Yeah. I think it might be a little heavy. Can you lift that
So
up?
how's your ham doing?
Wait, no. It swivels.
Toasty.
It swivels. Toasty. Let me put it in.
Looks
I was
good.
wondering what that sizzling sound was.
So this is
I'll
what
bring it back a little bit. So it...
So how's it going, Anderson?
Pretty good. My noodles are starting to cook good. They're soft now.
I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables.
Vegetables.
Well, I think I should add the eggs first.
I think typically you would add vegetables first.
Okay, so then I'll go with vegetables.
Oh, my pot has just started boiling.
Good. You want it to boil for probably a full minute, and then you can test to see if it's ready for the seasoning.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna move this back a little bit. I don't want to burn anything. Here.
How about yours, Mavi? Are they soft yet?
No.
Or were they still hard?
Wait. That one's hard.
Yeah, they look pretty hard still.
It's gonna be a while. Mine is sinking. Ah.
Yeah. So if we were out camping, you could make yourself a meal in one of these over a fire.
Like this.
Yep.
I'm gonna do this every.
Anderson, do you have some?
Anderson, it's gonna
some
boil
hot
over.
pot holders?
Mom, I don't.
Nope. put out our fire.
Ooh, that was cool. I found a small soft part.
How long do you
Cool.
think I ought to leave vegetables in for?
Until they're the way you
I
want them
think
to
mine
be.
is about to be done.
Well, I don't know when they're going to be warm.
Get
They
her
don't
room,
look
51.
warm.
Made her. I think mine are done. Starting to fall apart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to take mine away from the fire and crack my eggs.
Anderson?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to move mine back over the fire and I'm going to start using the knife to make sure that it's evenly scrambling and not burning.
So is that handle hot?
Actually, it's not, surprisingly. I don't know if it's because it's been
think
out of
mine
the
is.
fire for a while, but it has not been hot at all. Okay, I actually need to back it up because I'm going to burn myself
Yeah, I don't want you to do that.
and my food.
It's a little bit windy today.
My thing's starting boiling again.
It's okay. How about yours, Mav?
Starting to get soft
Mm-hmm.
a bit.
Anderson, you ready to take yours off to eat?
Yes.
Okay.
Very
Let's get a hot pot holder.
Where is it? Oh,
there. Yeah, it's starting to boil a little bit again, so you won't be able to eat it right away. You're gonna have to let it cool.
Oh, it's so hot.
okay, so I'm gonna hold it like that. So do I just grab the handle?
Mm-hmm.
Like aluminum.
Are you just being patient right now?
Alrighty.
There you go, Anderson.
I've not been being patient.
Okay, I would put it down right here on this and let it cool a little bit. Okay. That looks pretty tasty.
I've never tried roast chicken.
Let's see, I'm gonna move this a little bit closer.
Move it to where mine was because mine did really good.
I think it's okay.
Starting to
looking,
scramble.
Noodles, not him. What does boil mean?
Boil means that the molecules in the water are moving around really fast, and they start to turn from a liquid into a gas, which creates bubbles in the pot. Cool, right?
May I
When
make
you
a
get
fire
into
tomorrow
middle
morning and
school,
make
take-
myself some eggs?
Maybe.
Cooking class.
Don't
You'll
know.
understand a lot better. And you'll be able to cook a lot better, like me.
That looks pretty ready, Taylor.
I like mine a little bit more solid than that.
Okay.
But it depends on how you like your eggs. Some people like their eggs very runny, and if I were one of those people, I would have already taken it off. But I like mine solid.
Let's move yours a little bit.
Yeah, that
hot.
seems like a good spot.
I know, that's why I have this.
I'm already starting to eat.
I don't know if anyone can bring it. Only veterans can bring it.
I'm about to.
But I can.
My forehead is on fire.
Is it good, Anderson? Would you make this if we wanted to make like a lunch or something
I'd
out,
make it every day.
out on a hike?
I'd make it anywhere.
If we were out on a hike, you'd make it?
I'd make it anywhere, anytime. As long as we had a fire. And canteen cups.
Sure.
And ramen noodles.
Well, you could put this in your backpack, maybe in your day pack, and a pack of ramen, and then we can make a little bitty
One
fire
pack of ramen.
in your day pack. It's boiling now.
Yay!
You stir it a little bit,
Okay.
push it down under the water. There you go.
Well, that was hot, 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 hot.
It's gonna be hot. Keep pushing it down under the water. Ooh, look at those bubbles.
I'm done. No, I mean there's a little drop of the...
Anderson, you can take your stuff inside and clean up.
Alrighty. I should probably remove it.
Yeah, let's scoot it over off the fire. And since we've got it boiling and off the fire now, you want to put your seasoning in there. Alright, here you go.
I'm just gonna.
Did you get it open or do you need some help?
No, it's open.
Okay. Careful with all that wind.
I'm guessing after this I'm gonna have to stir it.
Yes, I believe so. Nice. I think that's enough.
Now it's enough.
Okay. And you're going to stir it with your fork.
Okay.
Now remember, it's still going to be very, very hot. It was just boiling a minute ago.
Seemed like less of a minute.
Yeah. Probably was less than a minute. And it's still right next to the fire. There's fire right there. All right, I'm going to help you take it off the heat.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.